Shaved Brussels sprout and caramelized onion salad. One of my favorite side dishes, full of vitamins and minerals, and it's a great prebiotic with its high level of fiber. The sweetness of the onions balances any bitterness in the Brussels perfectly. And with apple cider vinegar and pumpkin seeds, it's even more delicious and amazing for your health. So good. Let's make it. Drizzle some olive oil, about a tablespoon, some sea salt, and put them in an oil or parchment covered pan. It takes more digestive energy and enzymes to break down the nutrients when they're raw. Roasting is better cooking than even steaming to get the max nutrition and retain some crunchiness. Bake at 400 for about 20 minutes until you've got some brown bits. For 12 ounces of shaved Brussels, use 1 medium onion cut roughly like this. 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan. Put in your onions, sprinkle with salt, and you're gonna cook this low and slow. When the onions look like this, they're caramelized but still have a little bit of crunch. Add 2 tablespoons of dried cherries or whatever kind of dried fruit you'd like. Cook them with the onions for 2 minutes on low. It'll rehydrate them a bit and soften them. This is why I use parchment paper. Just pick up and pour it into my bowl. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or an apple cider vinegar tonic. That's what I always choose. You're gonna deglaze all those wonderful flavors. Pour it in, mix it up. Sprinkle some pepitas or the nut of your choice. Just measure with your heart. Sweet, tangy, crunchy, and really good for you. Give me a like and subscribe and click that notification button for more healthy comfort food recipes that help detox, lighten, and energize your system. Time to eat. Buon appetito. Yes.